how to find profile picture privacy settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find profile picture privacy settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and now click view your profile and then click edit profile and click edit again, and here you will find view profile picture and then click these 3 points in the top corner, and now just click edit privacy, and here you can find it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.